Yeah, I'll bring it in. Oh, we knocked it
You
off.
forgot the strap.
Huh?
You forgot the strap.
There is no strap.
Ano yung strap?
Oh, there might be in the box.
Dapat pagaanan to ng trigger.
Oo.
Ma-flat. Aagos ulit.
Kaya pala matagal ang biyahe.
umuulan dito.
Kaya gawin ng tao. Kalikasan, walang kamay, walang paa.
Okay, we made it to the parking area and we are now beginning our journey to the site of Mount Pinatubo.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's a little chilly, huh? So I'm not sure how that GoPro portion of the video has turned out. I guess we'll find out once we start editing this video, huh? So that took, I don't even know how long that took, about an hour and a half? About an hour and a half to get all the way out here. Distance-wise, it's not that far, but time-wise, it's far because we gotta drive slow through all this rough terrain.
Bumaya. Ay, gusto mo?
What is it?
Kuyawan saging.
What's this? The hike continues. So you see Mount Pinatubo eruption, I want to say right around June 10th of 1991. So we are, what, 24 plus 9, 33 years after we are here. 30, wait, what did I just say? 26 and 9, 24 and 9, 33 years after the fact. I think I got it right.
We're avoiding the water.
That's fine. God, I can't believe it's been 33 years already. I remember it clearly, obviously.
It's a pancake here.
Okay. Yeah.
And now I have two.
You're skiing.
Oh,
10? Huh? Well, let me tell you guys, that's a really good litmus test to determine what kind of physical condition you're in. This has been quite a hike. Hey guys! Hello! So here we go. What is it? Oh, it doesn't say the distance. Okay. Welcome to Mount Pinatubo. Your trek starts here. Young age, 15 minutes. Middle age, 18 minutes. Me, 35 minutes.
For seniors, that's easy.
The longer we stand around here, the longer it'll take. What do you think so far?
I can do it.
You can do it. Mind over matter. I'd rather die before I fall out of this hump.
Kalabaw lang tumatanda.
Alright, I guess we're going to take a picture. Hold on. Yep.
Kuya, dito.
We just had to take a couple pictures and now we're off again. Our faithful tour guide taking lead. Point man. The mind checker. All right, where's my bridge? These guys are flying right past me like it's cool. Let me see, which way do I want to traverse? Oh, that's the best way? All right, hold on. All right, let's do it that way then. We're gonna keep the camera rolling. But I might hand it off to this gentleman. He can record me. It's rolling, it's going. Tell you what, this takes practice, man. All right, I made it.
Yeah.
You got it.
Okay.
Takes skill. Tell you what, the first couple ones I had to go across, he had to help me. Huh? Yeah. Yep. There we go. Got made it past that one. So let me see. What do we need so far? Need to have balance, equilibrium, physical fitness. Here we go again. Holy buckets. We got that, and that, and that, and we got a little leap. There we go. Made it. Now my wife is the landmine detector. She's checking for landmines. Yeah, minesweeper. We got Willie picking up the rear.
Hello.
He's back there. Let's see if we can elevate. All right, I'll shut off for just a second. Holy cow, we made it. Honey. I burnt out a sole on my right shoe.
We made it.
Yeah.
We made it.
You made it, but every shoe didn't make it.
I have a flat tire.
It's a very, very opportunity.
So I gotta be careful how I walk now.
Kaya muna tayo.
Oo. There, Kuya guys, they're ready.
Huh?
Kuya guys, ready.
So this is it.
We're going to sit down.
Yeah. This is the crater, folks. Okay, I said June 10th. That was about 5 days off. There you go, if you want to pause it real quick. Beautiful. Very pretty. This is the place where all the destruction came from back in '91. I remember it well.
Ich hab's auch nicht ganz kapiert, wie er meint.
Kuya, kayong dalawa.
Ich hab's auch nicht ganz verstanden.
Kami muna ni Kuya.
Just a little bit.
약간 같은데? 같이 한번 찍으시죠. 오, 밑에도 있네. 내려갈 수 있네.
Okay, we're on our way back down. The crater was awesome, really pretty. You know, I remember all the headaches that thing created back in '91, and now we finally get to see where it all started, where it all took place. Guys, hi. Remember, I got a broken sole on my shoe, so don't be off to. Hey, how are you? Don't be running off on me.
I will be right here for you, man.
Yeah, I blew out my sole on these old Skechers here. They finally bit the dust on me. We got a kitty, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you guys, anybody coming up here, these walking sticks, man, don't laugh at them. These things,
Only my
don't scoff. These walking sticks are good to go. You know, because I've come to the conclusion this requires balance, stamina, and endurance. And if you're a little bit older, like me, the balance part can be a little tricky. So I would highly suggest buying one of these walking sticks. It only costs 20 pesos. Especially when you're going across the little creeks. It really helps you balance yourself going across.
It helps for the local kids also.
Yeah, it helps the local kids that, you know, provide these sticks. So
It's very cold here.
yeah, traversing these rocks and holding this camera both at the same time is a little bit tricky. I can't really look straight ahead. I have to keep looking down to see where I'm putting my feet. Oop, yeah. Okay. Alright. Beautiful back here. It smells really nice. The vegetation back here. Oop. See, I took my eyes off the trail for just a split second and I tripped.
This is home.
Huh? Oh yeah. Somebody lost their soul, huh?
Be careful on your soul also.
Yep. So I'm not the only one. Yeah, we were lucky enough to find some strap material up there. It's just laying on the ground. It's almost like somebody dropped it there for us, just for us. Okay. Oh. I got it. Losing my balance. Okay. Holy shit, I'm trying to do this video and then walk at the same time. Okay, let's pause until we get through this mess. Okay, yeah, we're still marching along here, coming down the, I don't know, what do you call it, the canyon. And we're stopping off for a cup of Cokes and some crackers. And let's check it out, huh? What we got?
These
Yeah, I like these. These are good.
Oh, okay.
A couple things of crackers and a Coke.
And then we take a
Alright. This is a little trail side vendor here, selling sodas and chips and snacks, and actually there's a little bit of chicken I think over here, right? Little hot dogs. Yeah, I got some sausages, some chicken if you're hungry.
Yeah, I want.
So yeah, there's little places to stop here. Well, this guy seems to have a pretty good little operation here. So, all right, we're gonna drink a Coke, have a quick snack, and then we're gonna continue on.
Going home.
All right, we're still hiking. think we're about 1.5 kilometers away from the parking lot. Basically from our 4x4. But yeah, it's freaking beautiful, huh? Yeah. This is like one big canyon. Oh, let me drop down. Okay, now you can wave. She fell down. Well, we kind of got our feet a little bit wet crossing the creeks.
Yeah.
So now it's, you got to be a little extra cautious. Because our soles are more slipperier, and our feet are sliding around inside our shoes. So thank goodness we don't got too much further to go. Hello, kids. But still a beautiful day. Nice breeze. You can probably hear it hitting the camera. See, we got all these little creeks that we're having to cross. So you take your pick. You can either balance yourself over these little rocks, or you can just sludge right through the water. My feet are wet anyways. I guess it really doesn't matter anymore. And also I blew out the left sole of my shoe now. So before it was just the right one, which I showed you earlier. Now we got the left one also. Yep. Left shoe is fried. Both shoes are fried. It's really rocky back here, so best to be wearing your better pair of shoes, not like I did. I brought an old pair, and I made it out there fine, but as soon as we got there, I looked down and the right sole of my shoe is toast. And then we were just now walking back, and the left sole burnt out on me. So, well, thank God I got my flip-flops, Janela's back at the room, because these things are going in the trash. It's pretty cool, and you see all these little shacks, like little Kubo shacks up here. People live out here. It's freaking amazing. I don't know how you could survive. No gadgets, no electricity, no running water, man. This is it. What you see is what you get. I suppose you bathe right inside the little creeks here. You'd be a crispy critter though if that Mount Pinatubo decided to erupt again. You'd have to hightail it out of here, freaking like Ricky Tick. If you could make it. Alright, so we got that whole area up in front of us to hike. So we'll shut off the camera for now and get through this mess here. Okay. walls are very high.